In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Outlook. Whether it was a simple typo or the wrong attachment, we've all been there. So let's walk through the process and make sure your message gets corrected before too many people see it. First, you'll begin by opening the Outlook desktop app on your computer. Once you're in, head over to the Sent Items folder. You can find this easily in the left-hand pane of the Outlook interface. Here, you'll find a list of emails you've recently sent, each displayed with the recipient's name and the subject line. Take a moment to locate the email you wish to recall. Spotting it may require scrolling if it's not immediately visible, but once you find it, double-click to open it. Now in the Open Email window, navigate to the top menu bar where you'll see the Message tab. Click on it and you'll notice a range of options appear. Look for the Actions button among these. It might be nestled amongst the others, so keep an eye out. Click Actions, and a drop-down menu will present itself. In this menu, you'll find an option titled Recall this message. Click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll now face a choice. You can either delete the unread copies of this email or replace them with a new message. If you choose to delete, the email will be removed from the recipient's inbox, provided they haven't opened it yet. On the other hand, if you opt to replace it, you'll be able to draft a new version of the message, correcting any errors or including anything you may have forgotten. This part of the process is vital because it determines how you want to adjust the oversight in your original email. If you go with replacing the email, you'll be directed into a new message window. Here, revise your email carefully, check for content errors, attach the correct file if needed, and when you're satisfied, hit send to distribute your updated email to the recipients. It's important to note that the recall function only works within the same organization if your organization uses Microsoft Exchange Server, and the success of a recall depends on multiple factors, like whether the recipient has opened the email already. There you have it. With these steps, you should be able to recall an email in Outlook with ease. It's a handy feature that can save you from unnecessary stress. So the next time you feel that instant regret after pressing send, remember that all is not lost. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.